sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along for the day. We're doing a day in the life, and I just did my kind of morning routine. I still need to do some bits downstairs. I just tidied or made the beds, tidied up here, and I'm going to move downstairs in the kitchen to tidy a bit and in the living room as well. That's kind of my morning routine after Victor goes to school. I am currently 30 weeks pregnant, and yeah, I thought I would give you a few updates on how that's going as well. I have had, I think this is the weirdest pregnancy symptom I've ever had. Maybe not, but I have had like my eyebrows have gone way more sparse than they used to be. Like my eyebrows used to be way fuller, and I just feel like they've gone, I mean, you can't tell very well right now, but before I put any product on them, I feel like they're so sparse, and I'm not sure if it's pregnancy symptom, like because of obviously all the hormones and everything that's changed, but I did not have this symptom when I was pregnant with Victor, so it's kind of weird to me, or maybe it's my thyroid, or although my levels have been good because I'm on medication, so I'm not sure if it's because of that or if it's just pregnancy. But yeah, such a weird symptom, and it's really annoying me some days when I'm doing my eyebrows and I can't fill them in properly. I feel like they still don't look right, but oh well, what can you do? It's going to be worth it. Yeah, and also let me pop you down because my hand's getting a bit tired, and also I can definitely tell I'm getting, like, obviously I'm in the 3rd trimester, but I'm reaching the end of this pregnancy because it's been getting so hard to sleep at night. It's just always a struggle when you're pregnant, like towards the end of the pregnancy, to get comfy, and my hips hurt at night, and I just feel quite tired during the day as well because obviously I'm not sleeping very well. I wake up nearly every hour, I think, to go to the toilet. Yeah, it's just, it is what it is. I remember it being exactly the same with Victor when I was pregnant with him. Just gonna ride it out for the next 2 months or so. One thing I also had this week is pregnancy congestion. So you get sometimes congested when you're pregnant, even though you're not sick, like you don't have a cold or anything. It's just my nose gets so blocked, especially at night time when I'm trying to sleep, and it's so frustrating because my sleep is already not great, and when you add congestion on top of it, it's just not ideal. And you're not supposed to use decongestants when you're pregnant either, which is just fabulous. But I did find something that helped, so I thought I would just share it with you in case you are pregnant as well and you're going through this, because it actually really helped me the past 2 nights to sleep so much better. So I found these in Tesco, and I thought I would give them a go. They're Breathe Right nasal strips. They look like this, and they come in a pack of 10, and they're drug-free, so they don't have any medicine in them, which makes them safe for pregnancy. And what you do is basically you just have these little strips that you attach to your nose right here, and it kind of opens up your, it has kind of a spring on it. I thought it wouldn't stay on properly, but it actually does, and it has this little spring that kind of opens up your nasal passage or something a bit more, and it makes breathing so much easier, because I think when you're pregnant, it's just the fact that you have so many hormones and a lot more blood and things in your body, and it just kind of swells up a bit your nostrils, so it makes it harder to breathe. I think that's why. I could be mistaken, I'm not a doctor, but yeah, these actually helped me the past 2 nights to sleep a bit better, and yeah, to kind of breathe better during the night. So I highly recommend them if you are struggling with that during pregnancy. I like sharing kind of bits and bobs here that helped me throughout the pregnancy, because obviously you can't really take anything when you're pregnant, but things like this, it's just the little things that help you. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go downstairs now and just kind of tidy kitchen and living room, and then we'll see what else we get on with. And this, you can't even tell from the front, I think, but from the side you can definitely tell there's a big bump there. Like, let me show you. That is my 30-week bump. It is getting so big. Like, I feel so heavy. She's just kicking now. I feel like it's getting so heavy, and I can definitely feel it in my back.
I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I just finished tidying up the living room and the kitchen, and I wanted to show you something that we got this week for the baby, which is so exciting. So Lovevery have kindly sent these to me. This is the play gym that they have, which looks so lovely. We had something similar with Victor, and he used to love his play gym, so I'm sure baby girl will love this one too. And this one is so cool because it's got so many little like sensory things and things they can just grab. Like this one's got a crinkly bit, just the little noise makers. It also comes with these cards, which are so cool because I know babies in the beginning, they don't have great eyesight, like they can't see very well. So these are perfect to kind of help them develop that. And you pop these cards in here so that baby can have a look at them. And you can obviously swap them out. Yeah, how cute is it? I really like how it's wooden. And then also, you guys know how I love keeping things neutral and minimalist, and I love the fact that this one, this playmat, you can actually change it to a completely neutral one so that the colors don't show. So you can pop all these up and it kind of hides the colors, so just in case you wanted something neutral but still have the colors for when the baby's playing. I find that really cool. And I really like that it comes with these little booklets, so it gives you loads of ideas on what you can actually do with your baby depending on their age. It has ideas from 0 to 12 weeks, so up until 3 months old, then 3 to 4 months, 5 months, and it kind of goes on and on as they grow, so you can change the activities. I really like that because sometimes, like with babies, you don't really know how to play with them. Obviously they're so tiny and they don't really, you know, they can't really get up and grab things and move around, so you don't always know what kind of play you could do with them so that you can actually help them develop their eyesight and their motor skills and everything like that. So yeah, they have ideas for tummy time, and yeah, I just really like that it gives you the ideas as well, because I wouldn't know what to do by myself. And then we also got one of the play kits, so this one is the looker one. This is what it looks like. It also comes with these little cards as well, so you can know what exactly you can do with all of these toys. But it's got loads of little toys for 0 to 3 months, so 0 to 12 weeks. It's got this thing, which is a mobile, and it looks so cool. And underneath it's also high contrast as well, so yeah, it's really cool for a little baby. Oh, they've got a standing card holder again, so you've got the little high contrast cards, and then this holder, so you can pop them in there. I think this is really cool because I can also take it with me, maybe in the pushchair, or if we're going somewhere and I want to have something to entertain her, maybe in the car. I don't know, I think it's really cool that you can take these with you. Then it's got this silicone rattle thingy with a removable ball, so that's really cute. and I like that it's kind of easy for them to grab. All of these are kind of created so you can use them with a play gym and kind of use them with each other. So that's really cool. Oh, how cute are these? It's got the black and white little mittens for the baby, but again in high contrast. I think that would be so cool, because I know in the beginning they can't see very far away, so they can see them if, you know, obviously they're gonna have their hands by their face. How cute are these? I can't wait to use all of these with the baby once she's here. Then we've got this little wooden book. They feel so nice, like such nice quality with all the wooden toys as well. I wasn't sure what was in here. It's actually a mug. I'm not sure if you can tell. And it says that days are long, but the years are short. How cute is that? I love that for us moms, for your cup of tea or your cup of coffee, which is an essential, isn't it? Oh, how cute is that? I love it. I really like this kit. I think it has so many amazing things in there, and yeah, I'm just really excited to try them with baby girl. So if you are interested in any of these things from Lovevery, I will link them in the description box so you can grab them for yourself, for your baby, or maybe a gift for someone. So we are headed to, I think, to Tesco's soon, just to get a few bits. And I am getting a bit hungry, so I think I might have some fruit, biscuits, and a hot chocolate. I feel like this has been my biggest craving so far. It's just hot chocolate. I just love it so much. I'm not sure if it's just because the season changed, or, and you know, obviously it's colder, or it's just the pregnancy, but I just love it so much. The hot chocolate that I get is the one by Costa. I just get it from Tesco. They have it in there. It's the rich and creamy hot chocolate, and it's so good.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down.
Okay, so we are back from Tesco. I got a few bits that I'm just gonna show you in a second. Sorry if I'm out of breath, it's because I came up the stairs. So we got these bits for Victor, and then I also got just some random food bits that were running out, like milk and bread. But yeah, I got him an advent calendar. So we got this Lego City one, which looks really cool. He's going to absolutely love this. Then we got a chocolate one, and then I also got him some new Christmas pajamas, because I don't think he's going to fit in the ones he had last year, or the last few years actually, because he wore them multiple years in a row. So these are very similar to those, just kind of red with some things on them, so I think he'll be fine with these. And yeah, so I got that for him too, and these were all from Tesco, by the way. I literally just sat on the sofa for a bit because I was getting so tired, but I'm just getting ready to go on the school run now to bring Victor home. It's nearly 3 o'clock, so I'm gonna head out soon. I'm just packing up some snacks for him. I've got some raisins and a little pouch of something, just because he is so hungry when he comes out of school, even though he has lunch there. But yeah, I guess it's just a long day for them. I always pack a little snack for him to have in the car on the way home. So yeah, I'm just gonna head out, get him home, and then get dinner started.
I think it was only them. There's 4 people that wanted to see my desk.
Is that what they said? You told them you have a new desk? That's
Yes,
cool.
and they really liked me. So they all wanted to see my desk.
Aww.
And who else?
Who else?
Victor.
Victor, you gonna invite yourself?
Yeah.
To your house?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
She did. He says Popo, wee wee at school, but he's not allowed to say Popo or wee wee.
Oh, are those the rules? You're not allowed to say that at school.
Or wing. Okay.
Did you eat your lunch today?
Yes.
Well, what was today? Was it fish and chips?
It was those sweeties.
Sweeties? For
And
lunch?
yes, and some potato
Mm.
and some
some peas.
And that's it.
Was there just potatoes and peas?
Just all those and sweets.
Oh, okay. What about fish?
Yes, they did have fish. They have fish and chips on a Friday.
Yeah. Fish and chips on a Friday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days each day. Special and every day new. I can see Thomas.
Oh, yeah. I see him too. With his grandma. Some Christmas music.
Christmas to watch.
Did you like Polar Express last night?
Yes.
Shall we do Elf tonight?
But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you
Dinner is in the oven. We just got back. We're just having some pizza tonight, just a really quick and easy dinner, and we just got delivered a parcel. So I got this rolling trolley. It's got 3 tiers and it's just a white one. I wanted to have something like this to create like a postpartum basket. It's kind of a bedside table storage area for baby and I once baby is born. So this one I got from Hobbycraft. So yeah, I'm excited to put it together and see what it looks like. But I think I'm going to do that in a separate video. I'm just going to do a whole video on kind of how I set everything up. So we just had dinner. I finished tidying up in here a little bit. And I think we're just gonna relax, maybe watch a Christmas movie or something, and then it will be bedtime for Victor and for me as well, probably shortly after because I'm so tired. But yeah, hope you have enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.